Kungi na kuondongo ya chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka ni waweta tawati ya ngwatanio ya Azimio One Kenya Alliance na kuweta isito yake tayimbe wa nzama ya usakwani na mivaka ya IBC na no Kuukitia kivila cha Usumbi usakwanini wa moini wa nyanya matuku kenda na tikiti wa chama cha Wiper. Benjamin Mwaka nukutulivoti ya mauvoa.
Buffalo Soldier.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka ni watete tambi yake ya kuungama Kuukitia kivila cha Usumbi onvanini mwanana ukite. Kalonzo na ula wa dhanu kakuma ngwatanoni ya kiuteti ya Azimio na Musyoka ingiri ya nzoni chamani cha Wiper wa mwavuli wa ngwatanio ya Oka. Wete tambi ya vimanito na kulea kusakuwa tamunini wa Usumbi wa Raila Odinga.
In fact, Kenyans had assumed at Jacaranda, when I said Raila tosha mara ya tatu, I remember Brother Gideon, we meeting at the gents, he said, for me, therefore, this is an automatic thing. People did not expect there would be a contest and then a dragging through the mud of one who has selflessly said, this country is more important than all of us.
Kuanana na Kalonzo, wenu utatie undu utona kwe yumilio oso tamunini wa Raila teonzika yosiake, siavu na nguta. Kindukile kuanana nake ni kuvunaniwa. Kuvudhiwa na kutumika nae na ndei esa kuikala etelewe na mbaya mukamba kuvudhiwa inge.
My brother Raila knows I'm naming my running mate. In fact, from Mombasa he came home to try to convince me to accept his choice of our sister Mother Karua. We did not agree and I said, let's sleep over it. We slept over it and last night we are at it. We did not again agree, so this is why we agreed that you will name Mother and I will name my running mate today. And some of us have suffered the consequences of bad faith for far too long. I mean, for how long do people expect one Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to be the one always to sacrifice? Always to sacrifice. And that after sacrificing, they mess up the country. We will not allow this to continue. And we have agreed as brothers and as sisters in the interest of this country to go a separate way. And we will then, it is never too late to come back.
Ujua Kalonzo Kuukitia Usumbi uyuka itina wa mbomba no kauta. Kiokoni cha umundi kuiwetwa umbanoni na President Uhuru Kenyatta kwa State House. Utata kuisya kanano tikile kukwata mbao tikiti ya Raila na Karua ngwatanyoni chama ya Azimio Oka.
And I wish him and his running mate, our sister Mother Karua, well. But I also made it very clear that if I know my country, if I know our country well, that decision will meet with overwhelming opposition.
Kalonzo na ule mwamba na mwene kivilo wa chama cha KANU Senator Gideon Moi cha dhini ki wadhana nde Musyoka na itina ingi na yu Kutangaasa Andrew Loteipa Sunkuli kutwika munini wake wa Usumbi isito ila ya ilo kunenganwa mbewanza makungamano vani ya IBC tuvikita saa 6 sia utuku. Ateo medho monde meidho wa masia isi mithena ya oyumituke makina Kalonzo.
As a grassroots community leader, he has a conviction that through education and empowerment, any individual household can rise to their full potential regardless of where they start their lives from. And please accept that he's a member of the Mark community.
The first thing that came to my mind when I got to his house and he said, you know what, you are going to be my running mate. I thought we are going to be jogging together. For the sake of my people of Narok, on behalf of the Maasai people wherever they are in Kenya and East Africa, on behalf of all pastoralists, on behalf of all marginalized communities seeking inclusivity in a majoritarian environment, I accept this nomination on their behalf.
Nanondo kiwanzani kiitwe cha uteti kilingwa anyanya na ndusi ya kutoa. Utonekanu wa mutongo yu wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka oundu mwana chama chake cha Wiper kuthuku manaingi na ngwatanio ya Azimio wiovo kwanza omuno ndilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kumava myakoni ya SKM Command Center ni mutani wa Karen, kaunti ni Lovi, yanita wa Benjamin na Mwaka.